Hey everyone, welcome back to another super cool Figma tutorial. Today we are diving into how to create this minimalist animation in Figma. So grab your chai or coffee and let's jump right in. Let's take our frame first and let me bring the logo that I created using Leonardo.ai. For the hero section we will maintain a 40 pixel margin. Now let me bring the background image of the hero section. This one's also created with Leonardo.ai, and then I used another image in Photoshop to make it vertically wider. Now it's time to create our fractal class effect. Well, here I'm showing you step by step how to create this fractal class effect, but if you want to save your time, you can just grab one from Figma community section. Just search fractal class and you will get some free assets. It's done. Now I'll copy and paste it multiple times and place all of those inside a group. I'll adjust the placing. Now I'll add some gaps. Looks cool, right? Let me place it properly. Now I'll put this background image and the glasses inside a frame and clip it. Then I'll add corner radius to the bottom corners. Now I'll add an oval kind of shape. Apply an angular gradient. And throw in some soft colors. Placing it behind the glass layer and adding a layer blur so it blends nicely with the image. Looks good, but let me update it a little. Okay, now it's perfect. So now it's time to create the top navbar. I'm adding a white fill for contrast. And using Proxima Nova for the nav items. Here I am fast forwarding the process of creating the nav items. On the right side, I'll add search bar, account and cart. Corner radius will be full. And the nav bar will be placed 40 pixels below the top. We will set the width to 1548 pixels. Nav is set, and I'll go with the huge bold heading. Now I'll change the color to white and adjust the line height manually. Aligned it and set the auto layout. Now let's create the caption and CTA. Like before, I'm going to pick an arrow icon from the icon library and put the text and icon into an auto layout to form the button. Now I'll put these two inside another auto layout. And place it 40 pixels above the bottom. Okay, the setup is done. Now it's animation time. Always remember, animations work inside frames. Auto layouts are frames, but I need everything inside normal frames, so I can move them manually. As you can see, I'm clipping those frames and dragging layouts outside the frame. First, I made zero opacity for the nav items. Now squeezing the width of the nav and pushing it out from the top side of the frame. Okay, one thing I forgot, we need zero gap between the fractal classes for the first two frames. For the third frame, the nav needs to be resized. For the fourth, the nav items should start appearing and the background image needs to shift 20 pixels to the right. Now it's time for the heading and everything else. We will start bringing them back one frame at a time. First the heading, then the CTA and the caption. Okay, now I'll select all the frames and create a component set. Now comes the fun part. We will use after delay and a 50 ms ease out for all the frames. Just remember, select after delay at 1 millisecond for each one. For the first frame, you can set whatever delay you want. I set it to 800 ms. Okay, after repeating it a bunch of times, it's done. Now we need to bring the instance inside a frame and check if everything works right. Okay, it's working, but we need to tweak the background image position a little to keep everything in sync. Let's preview it again. Perfect. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you liked it, please give a like and share it with your buddies. See you in the next video. Peace out.